Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a behind the scenes. We are getting ready to film the intro to my Vlogmas videos. So if you want to see some behind the scene footage, just keep watching. Don't forget that like button if you like videos like this. And if you like Vlogmas, hit that like button. And let's go ahead and get started. Today is Vlogmas Day 1. Vlogmas Day 1. Yeah, this is too. I'm trying. I have this lens, and it is good when you do makeup tutorials, but when you try to do anything from far away, it sucks because it only goes so far away. Oh my god, my panza. Do the baby dance. Do the baby mama dance. See some. Do the baby mama dance. Nicholas, one day you're gonna watch this and be like, that was my first Christmas. That was my first Christmas. And my mom will dress me like a loony doony.
Vlogmas Day 1. Vlogmas Day 1. Happy Christmas!
That's heavy? I'm just gonna take some Alright, so you're heavy. That's heavy? Are you heavy? I ain't heavy. So I'm just gonna take some like video of the tree. I have a question for you. I'm asking, ready? Can you get a McDonald's like always? You're either gonna say I'm crazy or no. Sorry, gotta turn. Are you listening? He's at Chick-fil-A, not a McDonald's.
Oh.
That sounds good. I want a tattoo. 30? I'm not 30.
If she wants a tattoo, she's getting a tattoo. Of your name.
Yeah, your name. No. Like right here, right? Right here, you see? Roman numerals with Bebe's birthday. I'm gonna send you a picture. Please think about it. It'll be less, it'll be cheap, like she'll say she don't care. She'll say it's up to you. It's something I won't regret because it's Bebe. We're already PG here on the Love Danielle Martinez YouTube channel. Keep it PG. No.
The what?
I'm gonna send you a picture and you're gonna think about it, okay? You have till tomorrow because I'm gonna go to my way. Alright, let's be productive now. Where is it?
Take some.
Alright. So I guess you should take like a picture too, so I can have it for my Instagram. Wow, you're hella multitasker. Are we ready for it? Alexa, play Christmas. Today's Christmas on Pandora.
Okay, girl. Now how do I get up? Oh.
So Nicholas, whatever. He's smiling. He's taking a little break, and we're gonna get ready to just do my shots. So let's go. You can just do this.
Alright. But should I do it like this or like this?
Like that, because your name does not go like that.
Okay.
So we'll just do like me pretending I'm putting this in, like Maria didn't just do this.
Okay, but like
She doesn't want the tags on them. Hold on, let's take the tags off.
he's tight. Wait. It's not on focus. Okay.
Ready? Yeah, this is.
That was cute. That was cute.
He spit in my mouth. You didn't see?
That was cute though.
Alrighty guys, I forgot to add a clip where I'm saying here's our Vlogmas 2018 intro. So here we go. Here's the Vlogmas 2018 intro. And I'm also going to be taking you guys along with me to a Christmas festival for Vlogmas Day 1. Just keep watching.
Love yourself. A merry little Christmas. And have yourself a merry little Christmas.
Hey guys, so I literally just put him down for 2 seconds so I can get out the door. We were supposed to be there at 7:30, at 6:30, and it's 7:07. And so we are actually headed to, it's called like Light Up, like the city name of where we live. So that's where we are currently headed to, hopefully, eventually. It's just so much work, like to get him in the car, get all this stuff in the car. It's like, who can do all this at one time? So we'll see. Let's go. Hi, Whittle. You breaking your neck. All right, I need to get his stuff in the car, and I need to get him in the car. So yeah, let's go. We are here. There's Annie and Anthony. New Year ones and it's scary. He can down though. What is it? What is it, Anthony?
The wash, you know, the bottle on the.
Say hi, vlog.
Hi, vlog. Hi, vlog. Hi, vlog.
This is Annie. This is my niece. Oh, she's been on my channel before. When she was little. You were little once in your life, weren't you? You're not always grown. Oh, we gotta talk to him. Goo, goo, goo. Goo.
Honey, wait.
There, Annie. Oh, we gotta move forward. Move.
I got it.
Okay, hold on to his shoe. Move, Anthony, get up. Move, get up. Get up. Get up. We'll fix it right now. He's trying to fix the shoe. Annie knows what time it is. Good deed.
Good night, my baby. Good night, my baby.
Titi, wait. Titi looks cute. Annie hair. Then we're gonna go. You have $1, Annie? What did he do, Annie?
He ate my cookie.
Now eat your cookie, girl. You have a cookie in your mouth. They have a little concert going on, but we're just looking for the food. That's a pretty classic though. We're walking to the car now. I feel like a really crappy mom because it's like 9:15. It's past his bedtime. So I'm gonna get in the car and get him to sleep, and this is the end of Vlogmas Day 1. And it was really kind of scattered everywhere, but it'll get better as the days go on. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.